Okay. I just found this. Is it coming? Oh yeah, it's coming. I see shit moving in there. Fuck, I didn't even realize this place had a service elevator. I didn't think it would have one. And then I was just walking by on my way to the stairs. And I see this thing, so holy shit. All right, ooh. Oh, hello. What do we have here? Whoa, whoa, hello. Oh. All right. All right. All right. I think this is in Illinois, but what is this? That's the alarm. And I just fell because I'm dumb. Ooh. All right. I think this is in Illinois. Ooh, windows. Windows in the life play. Ooh. Oh, that's a cool view. Firmly. Wait, this is bottom drive. Oh. Yeah, this is bottom drive. Stick it. Oh yeah, this is for sure bottom drive. Oh, well, yeah, as if that wasn't already confirmed by hearing the fucking motor in the basement. Duh. Is this winding drum? No, it's just traction. Still though. Auto. Nice bright ass light bulb. Brighten up the mood. Huh, brighten up the mood. Get it? Alright. Ooh, those relays sound nice. Alright, that's it.